I think pineapple absolutely belongs on a pizza with ham. In fact, it's one of my favourites. We've got some new chefs, we've got lots of new stars taking part. Tom Allen's back as well. There's a little bit of chaos in the kitchen, but mainly just very good food. I think I'd flap a bit too much to be a contestant on Cooking with the Stars. You don't have very long, you have 1 hour to prepare quite a complex dish. There's normally more than like one part to it, and I think I'd probably break stuff, potentially lose the end of a digit. If I could have anyone take part in the show, it would be my husband, just to see what he's like under pressure in the kitchen. He's very, very good at home. We would also have some new dishes to eat. I would love to be mentored by Tony Singh. He's phenomenal, and that man makes the best curry I've ever tasted. My ultimate dinner guests, I think, you know, it's a cliche, but it'd be my family. They're the only people I want to eat with. What one food? The one food I wouldn't live without is cake. Cake makes me happy. If I could eat one meal for the rest of my life, it would be my mum's roast, because it's perfect. It is the perfect roast. She has mastered it. I could eat it any day of the week. She does the most amazing roast potatoes, and I don't know, I ask her what she does, and she's like, well, I just cook it in with the meat. I'm like, yeah, but when I do that, they just simmer and boil, they don't crisp up. And controversially, I was told the other day, she makes broccoli cheese, and somebody looked at me like that was like really weird. I'm like, that's normal. Who wants cauliflower cheese? The worst thing I've ever eaten was a fish roe. As a child, my mum would go to the fishmongers and get like a steak of it cut off, and then she would fry it in a pan and make us eat it, and it was disgusting. I don't eat fish because of it. It's her fault. I think pineapple absolutely belongs on a pizza with ham. It does. In fact, it's one of my favourites.